I'll just take a quick time to talk about this. And why I'm talking about this is because most of my coachings, I find out that a lot of people are still trying to get the same thing over and over again. And they don't even know that they are making the biggest mistake. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is your tuning in, do a subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So, as a new content creator or as a content creator, if you have not taken any advice from me, take this, because this video might be short, quick, but trust me, it is going to go a long way for you. Don't chase subscribers. Do not chase subscribers. I will keep telling you over and over again. Do not chase subscribers. And why I'm saying this is because most of the people that come to me for coaching sections, one of the things they always tell me is, Vibe, I want to get subscribers. I want to just monetize and just go my way. Monetization is sweet. Subscribers is good when you're seeing the figures. But when you're not making anything out of it, at the end of the day, you are still going to regret it. You understand? Whatever you are doing, if you have your 1,000 subscribers, please stop doing it. And I know why I am still emphasizing on this, because I still go to my Telegram group and see a lot of people. And if I go to their channel, I chat them up and I go to their channel, I notice that they have over 2,000, 3,000 subscribers. You're causing more harm to your channel than good. And one thing I will always keep saying is, I want you not to only monetize on YouTube, but I want you to enjoy every good thing that is coming on YouTube. People with 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 subscribers might even be cashing out massively than those of us with 90,000, 80,000, 70,000 subscribers. YouTube is not all about subscribers. YouTube is how long you've been able to put people down to watch your videos. How people are engaging on your videos. You can see someone with 200 views. What am I saying? Okay, there's one of my channel right now with 178 views. Guys, just 178 views has generated over $1 on that particular channel. 178 views has generated over $1. The RPM of that video is as high as over $8. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying. That is what you should be looking out for. What is the most important niche that is workable? What is the most important niche that can bring money to my pocket? Because I know that a lot of people might come and say, oh, I'm not doing it for the money, I'm doing it for the passion. Leave it. The money is what we are all chasing. That's just the truth. Then the passion will now be added to it. Do not chase subscribers. You might have a lot of subscribers and you're not getting anything on these YouTube streets. You understand? Don't chase subscribers. Do not be in a competition with people's subscribers. I know that it is sweet when you see your subscribers growing, and then you see today you wake up with 5,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 15,000. Right now, my channel is on 93,000 plus subscribers. If not because of this strike that has kept me down, I would have gotten over 100 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers. But I'm not bothered, because subscribers is not the main thing. The main thing is engagement. The main thing is getting the coins out of YouTube. The main thing is putting out content that has value. Please, instead of chasing after subscribers, work on your videos. Instead of chasing after subscribers, work on your content. Instead of chasing after subscribers, work on what will magnet people to your channel. It will go you a long way. It will go you a long way. You understand? It is sweet though when you're seeing the subscribers, but if you're not getting the money again, you get frustrated. I have one of my students with over 8,000 subscribers, and those 8,000 subscribers, I spoke with him to some certain length of time, and I've been able to let him see reasons why these subscribers are not even too important. But this is what is attainable. So now, if you've gotten any amount of subscribers, I'm not saying you should go ahead and start saying, oh, how do I unsubscribe these people? How do I unsubscribe these people? I'm just trying to tell you guys that pause at that particular subscribers you have. If you have gotten 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, pause it. Like, just start uploading videos and remove your eyes from your views. Do not look at your views. Those engagements will fall in place. Do not look at what is coming. Just keep posting. Just keep uploading. Just keep doing what you know how to do best on YouTube. And trust me, you will not regret it. I've also done analysis of channels, one of my friends' channel, with just 20-something thousand subscribers. Guys, for a fact, this my friend is cashing over $7,000 to $3,000 to $4,000 every single month. You understand? So don't just be in that space of all I need to do is subscribers. Please, what you should be interested in right now is, how do I bring value? What kind of content can I bring that people will sit down and watch? What kind of content is trending right now that people are making money on? And if you want me to do videos on niches that are trending, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be doing videos on niches that are trending right now that people are cashing out. And when you see those niches, research on them. Look out for your competitors. Just keep doing what you know how to do best. Trust me, you will not regret it. I will say it loud and clear again. Stop chasing subscribers if subscribers is your problem. Just do every single thing you need to do to get to just 1,000 subscribers. Once you get to the 1,000 subscribers, focus your life on your content. Focus on how you can get your 4,000 watch hour to monetize. Now, once you are monetized, sit down, balance well, research what you can do. Diversify your content as a new beginner. As someone that is looking forward to grow, diversify your content. As someone that is looking forward to achieve something, look out for other niche, test it out. Don't be stuck in one place. If one is not working, move. This is just my simple 8 or 9 minutes advice that I can render to you as someone that is new and you're watching me, or you've been wishing that, oh, I wish I get this 90,000 Naira vibe with Sonia subscribers. Subscribers is not the main cocoa. The main cocoa is getting something out of YouTube every single month. You understand what I'm saying? If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this video helpful. If you have any video you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section. If you want to book for our coaching section where we personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, this is where Vibe with Sonia come in for you. With this mail that you're seeing displaying, fit315@gmail.com, or you check in my description, you're going to see it in my description. Send us a mail and let's get your coaching section started. Some persons will even personally tell me, Vibes, just come check my channel to see what I'm even doing. Am I even doing the right thing? What niche do you advise? Should I change niche? Should I not change niche? And at the end of the day, we come to a realized conclusion and every single person's are happy. Like I said, if you're not seeing the email on the screen, check the description. I always put the mail on all my description. Anyways, bye for now, and with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stop chasing subscribers and start chasing the money. Bye once again. I love you guys. Mwah.